Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Knox, Southern Morrow, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 11 miles west of Centerburg and moving east at 40 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Centerburg, Sparta, Chesterville, Fredericktown, Gambier, Danville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Now looking